Good afternoon. The Guardia Civil has opened a new investigation into the discovery of another abandoned body in the Seriana de Ronda. This is the third lifeless body found in less than 24 hours in the province of Malaga. The discovery of the male body was made on Sunday when police and the medical services were alerted. On arrival, they found the body with apparent signs of violence in a ditch. The Judicial Committee also arrived at the scene and proceeded to remove the body for its subsequent transfer to Malaga for an autopsy. Police are also investigating the discovery of another body which was abandoned yesterday around midday on the quay of the Puerto Banús boat refuelling depot in Marbella. According to various sources, the deceased was deposited there while still alive by the occupants of a semi-rigid boat who had their faces covered. However, on the arrival of medical personnel, the man, as yet unidentified, had died. At almost the same time yesterday, the Guardia Civil were also alerted to the discovery of another body in the sea near the area of rocky breakwaters east of Malaga City. Unconfirmed reports say it was female. Spain's unemployment figures increased sharply last month, so the Labour Ministry reported this morning. The number of registered unemployed increased just over 22,000 in October from the previous month. This was much bigger than the expected increase of 5,200. However, unemployment totaled 2.44 million, the lowest for the month of October since 2007. Further data showed that unemployment among young people aged below 25 increased by just over 10,000 in October compared to September. The total number of youth unemployment was the lowest in the historical series for the month. The SOS Missing Persons Group has sent out an urgent message to find Grethel de Leon de Lucas and her boys Danielle and Francisco, who have been missing since September the 20th in Torrevieja. The group says that Grethel de Leon de Lucas is 39 years of age with brown eyes. Her sons are 10 and 5 years of age. The group has turned on all of its search channels and is asking the public for any information that could help find them. The group stresses how important it is to share information on social media, especially in the provinces of Alicante and Valencia, to help find the missing mother and her children. And Granada is edging closer to a future that sounds more like science fiction. The City Council has announced plans to introduce a humanoid robot to the local police. The initiative is part of a wider plan to improve traffic, safety and mobility in the city through smart technology. The robot won't be directing traffic or patrolling the streets on its own anytime soon, though. To start with, it will assist with administrative tasks, learning and adapting through artificial intelligence. Later, if all goes well, it could help manage traffic control duties, though always under the close supervision of municipal staff. The project is still in its early stages and depends heavily on €5 million of European innovation funding. That's the latest from TRE. I'm Bob James.